tip you will give to people who are coming to travel?
Travel in India, in general.
In general, one travel.
Oof.
I feel like there's so much more to see in India, and every single time I left I had a really good experience. There aren't any like weekend trips that I took that I'd be like, oh no, I wish I hadn't done that.
I would say just make the most of the weekends that you have and the time off that you have, because India is such an amazing country to travel in, and there's so much to see that you can't really do enough, so you should do as much as possible.
Make sure you go out and explore the north part of India because it's very different from what you experience in the south. That's personally what I feel.
And honestly, if you do it right, if you budget correctly, you can kind of go to the south, you can go to the west, you can go to the north, and you can go to the east. You can really see it all here.
Definitely bargain, always bargain, no matter what. For rickshaws, if you book a cab or whatever, especially when you're shopping on street markets.
Golden Triangle. I would suggest Golden Triangle is it's one of the ones you have to try. You have to go and check it out. Because Golden Triangle is Udaipur, Jaipur, Agra, Delhi. It's one of those things like India is known for, and you get the actual India out of it.
I would say do a great deal of planning in terms of transportation and knowing where you need to be, but also don't give in to like too much organization. Be spontaneous, allow yourself or allow the country to just guide you to different places, because I would say the best experiences I've had are ones that I didn't plan technically. I kind of just like let myself go and like let the experience kind of follow through.